Hi you guys and welcome back to my channel. Well, today's video is going to be quite quick and quite short, and it's going to be about a 5 minutes makeup tutorial for all my beautiful girls, college girls, school girls, or maybe all the women who are working and they don't have a lot of time to get ready, but you just can't go out without getting ready, right? So yeah, for all those who want a quick makeup tutorial, just follow the steps and let's get started. And also you guys, before starting doing the real steps, let me first set a timer because I'm actually going to try doing the makeup in only 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes you guys. So yeah, so let's just set the timer. 1, 2, 3 and start. So first thing first, I'm going to moisturize my face. I'm using this moisturizer, Biotique Morning Nectar. Quickly taking it and I'm going to put it on my face. Okay, so quickly in the 5 minutes video, in the 5 minutes tutorial, we need to conceal the face. So I'm taking this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and the concealer shade has to be a little darker than your real skin tone. Just conceal all the darker areas of the face. I love to brighten my under eyes, so just putting it here under the eye, a little bit here, and a little acne happening here, and using my fingers next to blend this out. I am going to actually give a good time to blend this out because this is really important, because I'm not going to put any base further. This is my base for the day. So perfect. So done with the concealing and little bit left out, put it above the eyes. All the darkness above the lids, on the lids, needs to be figured out. Next up, I'm not going to be using any foundation, but I'm going to also brighten the face a little bit more using the Tarte Shape Tape. Slightly similar to my skin tone now. The previous concealer was the darker shade and this one's quite similar to my skin tone, and not putting it too much, just a few drops, and I'm going to use my fingers and dab it all up. Just to even it out, because the concealer was a little darker and this one's quite similar, so even everything out. So I'm also checking the time, and we still have 3 minutes left you guys, a lot of time. Okay, so next up I'm going to be quickly doing my blush using my lipstick. Pick any lipstick or your cream blush and smile and put that on your cheeks and just blend this off. So this will actually make you quite fresh, look quite fresh and bright for the day. So yeah, little blushing. And next up, I'm going to again be using my MAC lipsticks on my lips. So I'm going to be mixing 2 shades, MAC Velvet Teddy and New Will Vogue. So this is New Will Vogue. And I'm going to be mixing Velvet Teddy to it. Perfect. Now I'm not going to leave the makeup without doing my eyebrows. Trust me, this is the game changer. Picking my eyeshadow palette from MAC and picking the brown and the black eyeshadow from it and putting it on my brows very gently, not doing too much. And this makes a lot of difference. So we're almost done, and I'm still left with one step, which is sort of doing the mascara. And I'm quickly gonna take my mascara before my time ends. Let me just give a quick check with the time, and we're still left with 1 minute. Oh wow, we did it you guys. So just taking my mascara, and I have to be a little quick, so just doing my mascara. Oh wow, I love this mascara from Tarte. I've been using this lately, I mean in all my videos. So there it goes. Not doing it too much, not overdoing it actually. It's up to you. If you want, you can do it. Perfect. And I'm not doing it on the lower lash, only on the upper lash. And now last, ending this video, and we're still left with how much time? 23 seconds, and we will quickly rush and just end the makeup with doing some powdering, making the makeup little matte, taking a powder, this one's from NARS, taking a powder brush and quickly spreading it all over very softly. And we are done. Okay, and time's up. So that's about it, you guys. I think we were able to, okay, let me just turn the timer off. Yeah. So yeah, that's about it. 5 minutes and we're sorted with the whole day. Trust me, these few steps give you a lot of confidence. So do not compromise on your daily makeup routine. And also you can just add on or reduce some steps. I mean, reducing is a little difficult of course, but you can definitely add on a few steps. If you have a little bit more time, you can probably just maybe add a little bit of eyeshadow or maybe a little bit of foundation if you have more time. Totally depends on your time and your taste. And now thank you so much guys for watching out this video. If you like the video, don't forget to like and share the video. Also comment down below if you want something, you want to ask something, put on something, and tell me across that how this video turned out for you. Do try the tutorial and I would love to see your looks. Till the time we meet again, bye you guys, lots of love.